Here's how the HDMI tip looks, and I think the one of the cable is bent. That's why I had to buy a new one. Here's my home theater setup. I have a 30 feet HDMI cable running from the projector to my receiver, but I think someone tripped on the cable while going to the bathroom, and that tripped my cable. Cable is now broken. Back then it cost me a lot of money for 30 feet HDMI. So I bought a replacement cable from Amazon, kind of no-name brand. 30 feet HDMI, KIMTABO, whatever that brand is. Box looks very small for 30 feet. Hopefully it is 30 feet. Let's see. There you go. There's no name, nothing printed here. By the way, this cost me only $12. $12 for 30 feet cable. Okay, so I'm gonna move the couch and then route the cable. Finally, it's wired. That's my HDMI cable right there. I will just arrange this properly and move all the wire back, tuck in everything, and for $14, looks pretty good. It's not a 4K projector, it's 1080p projector. So I think for now it's okay. Not bad for $14.